That Habitat for Humanity was established 40 years ago by Millard and Linda Fuller. It's a couple that felt very strongly that everyone deserved a safe, decent place to live. So they started Habitat for Humanity in 1976 with the express mission of eliminating poverty, housing, and homelessness from the world. They wanted to make safe, decent, and affordable shelter a matter of conscience and action. So for 40 years we've been using partnership housing and the Fund for Humanity. We have built, with the help of volunteers like you, built or repaired well over 2 million houses. And those houses provide safe, decent and affordable shelter for more than 13 million people.